Hi, Nonna.
Hi.
What are we making today?
I'm gonna make some branzino.
Branzino. Look, she's got the fish over here too.
So
Wow.
that's what.
Okay, and did you clean it already, or did you have the guy clean it for you?
The guy cleaned, but now I'm gonna wash it.
Wash it. Okay.
And sometimes you have to scrap. Well, the guy did it for me.
Yeah, the guy did it. When he cleans it, what does he clean? The inside too?
Yeah, inside. Yeah.
Oh, he cleaned the inside too.
You have to wash really good because there's some blood inside.
Oh, you have to remove all the blood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes them washing too, but that guy he don't wash it today. So.
Okay.
In case the guy don't scrap, you're gonna scrap. You're gonna do it like this.
How do you know when it's done?
Because it's not those.
Oh,
That's
yeah, those flakes.
That's it. The flakes. That's right.
So when it's white, it's good? Mm-hmm. How do you know when it's bad?
It's dark.
Oh, it's dark inside?
Mm-hmm. It smells too.
And it smells. Smell it. How does it smell?
Smell like a fish.
Fish, okay.
Sometimes I take it out to the head. It's up to you. But depends. Maybe I'm gonna leave it today.
Let's leave it. Garlic.
Garlic salt. This one. That's, I don't know what you call this one.
Let me see. So fish seasoning.
Yeah, that's.
So put some kind of your favorite fish seasoning.
That's right. That's the one I have, that's one I use it. Lemon roast season. Oh, you can use this one.
Oh, let me see. Lemon roast and seafood seasoning.
That.
Okay, so a lemon roast and seafood seasoning. Mm-hmm. Okay.
The favorite,
favorite lemon seasoning for your fish.
Just a little bit like this. I don't put too much, so parsley.
I mean, it's rare that people cook like fish like this. You only find it like this in the restaurants. Who taught you how to cook fish like this?
By myself. Okay, this one.
Okay, so parsley.
Yeah, you put parsley. That one you can put inside there. Garlic. You do a small piece.
How many garlic cloves? How many did you use so far? One?
One. This one we don't need. I need after. Put some rosemary.
Oh, rosemary?
I think so, that's what I did. And this one you could put on the pan too.
So afterwards you just throw it in the pan.
I'm going to put some oil. Yeah, I'm going to do like this. I'm going to put some inside, some around. Rub it in.
Rub it in.
Mm-hmm. Like that. Some of that stuff I put it. Okay, now that's it. Let me wash my hands.
Slices some lemon.
Lemons like this.
Yes,
slice.
You slice them.
It looks like that.
Okay.
So Okay, I cut a half. And I'm gonna put inside the fish,
Oh, okay.
like this. Okay, one. Like this.
Oh, yeah.
And after, I'm going to take some flour. Flour,
Yes.
okay? And I'm going to put it inside a little bit.
Oh.
Open with that crumpet. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. What is it for?
I don't know. Open it. Hey, you could put some
Breadcrumbs.
bread inside too.
Just a little bit?
Just a little bit. Just drop. Yeah, maybe we could put some oil too. Oh shoot, put too much.
There's the breadcrumbs.
Okay,
And do on this side too.
on the other side too. Looks like I have to put some, just let me sort of sense inside. Okay, like that.
Okay, to put the breadcrumbs.
That's many enough to anyway. See, want to put some of this too. After you take the this one,
The baking sheet.
put some oil on the bottom. Put some oil. And you take the slice, the lemon,
Yeah.
get lemon, and the butter. And the butter, the fish.
Yeah.
You do like that.
Oh, okay. You.
Oh shoot, questa non ci mancava. Mo ci lava la testa.
Oh, it doesn't fit, so my mom's gonna have to cut off the head. But you don't have to cut off the head. But she is, so it can fit in the pan, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna use this pencil.
Off with the head. She's strong.
You put it like this, look.
Oh, now it fits perfectly.
No, I'm gonna take it out, this one. I don't think it's gonna fit. Oh, I guess that's a little bit smaller.
Okay, yeah. Let's put one head on and one head off.
See, this one is a little bit small.
Oh, it fits. We don't have to cut off the head.
That's it. The flour on top too.
Okay.
It's some breadcrumbs too.
Breadcrumbs.
It's nice and, bright color on top. Just a little bit.
Okay.
The pepper,
Yes.
put some little bit salt.
Salt.
Yeah. Okay, now sometime I'm gonna do some lemon top too.
Say it again.
Lemon,
Yes.
small piece on top. Just
Smells good.
depending the way you like. You could put some tomato too.
Cherry tomatoes.
really are going to chop on top of there. Just going to put it on top like that.
And how about the potatoes?
No, the potato I'm not going to put it today.
Okay, but you can add like little pieces of potatoes.
Yeah. Must la tengo pana pata. Okay.
Oh look, she does have a potato. Nonna has everything. It just magically appears.
You peel the tomato.
Okay. Look how pretty this looks.
Oh. Take the potatoes.
Uh-huh.
You have to slice really thin.
Oh, slice them really thin?
Okay, like that. Because you know, no, doesn't cook, it's too thick.
Salt.
Okay, over here is no salt. Some garlic.
Oh, garlic salt.
I'm gonna put some onion. Well, I do
Yeah.
with the hand. All the garlic, and you put on the side like this. You put on top.
Put some more.
Put some, this one. The rosemary giving us tasting. Oops,
Put it all in.
that's right.
Look how pretty it looks. Look at all the colors. Smells so good.
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
And you're gonna put the oil. That's it.
How long does it take to cook?
Maybe an hour. Depend.
Take an hour. These take
Depend.
an hour?
You can see when it's nice and you know.
Okay, we're not going to cook this until an hour before Nonno comes home. Right now it's still early. It's only 3:30. He comes home at around 5:30. So we'll put this in at around 4:30.
4 o'clock. I'm gonna put
4
some.
o'clock. Oh, she's going to put it in. What temperature are you going to cook it at?
Maybe at 380.
380.
Oh, you have to cover. I
you have to
cover.
cover it. Oh.
Yes.
One last look. So we put it in the oven. Cover it with tin foil.
Okay, let's pull it like that. And you put it in the oven.
Okay. Preheat the oven.
Okay.
Good job. We'll see you in a little bit. 4 o'clock, and she set it at 380. Okay. So let's see when she's going to take it out. Okay, it's almost been an hour. No. Wow.
Because maybe it's slow. Maybe it is fast. Well, you know what? I'm gonna put a broil.
Oh, she's going to put it broiled.
Not broil, no.
Oh, conventional bake.
Good.
How do you know when it's done?
It's when it's in brown, but it's done.
It is.
So you're gonna change the
Oh,
color?
yeah. A little bit
That's
Is it ready?
oh, yeah.
Just a little bit more? So you're going to remove the cover and you're going to let it cook. What do you think? It's done now? You took off the... Oh yeah, look at that. You can see the sides there too. Okay. Here we go. I want to take a nice picture of it. Look at that. Nice. Beauty. Oh, so that's what, when you put the breadcrumbs on there, you can tell when it's done because it has to be nice and brown.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that trick.
And the flour keep it nice and soft.
Yeah, okay. Wow. Looks good.
You take the potato.
Oh yeah, we put the potatoes too.
Put the potato for here.
How do you say it's done in Italian?
È pronto.
There we go. You learn a little Italian today from Nonna Paolone. Look how pretty. It's so delicious. Oh, look, Nonno's home. Look, we made something really fantastic tonight. You're gonna love it.
Smells like
You always order this in the restaurant.
oh yeah.
Branzino.
Good, good.
Yeah. Okay, you got to try it. Put your suitcase, whatever
What do you mean?
your briefcase.
How can I try?
Okay, Ma, put it on the table. Okay, he's gonna do the taste test.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
They look good.
Does it look like restaurant style?
Yeah.
Look, let's see. It may be hot. Yeah? Like the restaurant? Wow. There it is.
Okay. That's
Taste
some pasta
tested it and approved. Oh, and look, Nonna made pasta too. With her simple tomato recipe that we have online, and she added some shrimp and calamari. Oh, beautiful, Ma. Here, Ma, can you put some on here? Every Friday we have fish. She's very traditional. Why do we always eat fish on Fridays?
Because that's where I like it. I have to wait for.
But isn't that tradition the Roman Catholic, like a old-fashioned tradition?
Old fashioned, yeah.
Yeah. See, but
Wow, it's really-
they're still old-fashioned.
It's really fish tonight.
Oh yeah, classic. Restaurant style.
Ma è festa stasera.
Pensa di sì.
You should do all of it.
There we go.
Okay, wait. First you have to eat the pasta.
I know, but we just want to. I want it just for video. Look at it. Look, that's like a steak fish right there.
Oh, that's just good.
Look at it right there. The pasta's good too. I know, Daddy, calamari and shrimp.